Are you looking for a high-performance solution to weld ultra-short studs and nuts on shower heads or floor drains? Introducing the TATE CNC stud welding machine, the ultimate automated welding solution designed specifically for the sanitary ware industry. Whether you're working with brass, stainless steel, or other common metals used in shower systems, this machine delivers precision welding with excellent consistency. It's built to handle the smallest studs and nuts found in shower head panels, ceiling spray plates, and drain covers, making it perfectly suited for the bathroom and plumbing hardware sector. With fully automated feeding, positioning, and welding, the TATE CNC stud welder dramatically improves productivity while reducing labor costs. Even in high-volume production lines, this system maintains stable quality and repeatable accuracy. From delicate copper fittings to heavy-duty stainless steel parts, TATE's machine adapts easily to your material and stud specifications. Its CNC control system ensures minimal human error, making it the ideal choice for manufacturers demanding precision and efficiency. If you manufacture shower head panels, floor drain covers, or other bathroom hardware requiring short stud welding, this machine will become your next competitive advantage. Don't wait. Contact us through any of the methods listed in this video or send an email to info@octate.com to get full machine details today. TATE. Weld smart. Weld fast. Weld right.